You decided to get into real estate. Congratulations. You watched a few videos, read a blog or two, and now you're out here checking Zillow listings like it's your new side hustle. You're dreaming big. Passive income, financial freedom, maybe even your face on a billboard like those top 1% realtors. But before you dive headfirst into this world of property profits, let's slow it down. Because real estate is amazing, but rookie mistakes can cost you real money or worse, your motivation. So in this video, I'm breaking down 3 mistakes almost every beginner makes in real estate investing and how you can dodge them like a ninja with a calculator. Welcome back to Wealth and Walls, where we turn 4 walls and a roof into your retirement plan. If you love real estate, wealth psychology, and learning with a smile on your face, you're absolutely in the right place. Grab a notebook and your inner investor mindset. It's time to unlock the next level of your real estate brain. Mistake number 1, falling in love with the property. You fall in love with the property. You walk in, you see that kitchen island. The natural light hits you just right. Suddenly, you're not thinking cash flow, you're thinking this would be perfect for brunch. Newsflash, you're not buying a vacation. You're buying an investment. You're not moving and your money is. And your money doesn't care about farmhouse sinks or how the sunlight hits the bathtub at 3:22 p.m. Real estate investing is about the math, not the marble. Always ask, what's the rental income? What are the expenses? What's my cash-on-cash return? Pro tip, if the spreadsheet says a no, it's a no even if the backsplash says yes. Mistake number 2, ignoring hidden costs. Underestimating the actual costs. So you look at the mortgage calculator and think, $950 a month? That's less than my car payment. I'm in. Wrong. That's just the beginning. Let's welcome the rest of the gang. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, routine maintenance, unexpected repairs, vacancy costs, and that wonderful surprise, the roof leak you didn't budget for. One day you're landlord. The next, you're calling a raccoon eviction expert. Yes, that's a thing. Always budget for the unexpected. A good rule of thumb, whatever you think the costs are, add 20%. It's better to be surprised with savings than slapped with a $4,000 plumbing job in the middle of taco night. Mistake number 3, try and do everything alone. Going full lone wolf mode. Look, I get it. You're scrappy. You're motivated. You watch 37 hours of HGTV and you're ready to flip houses like they flip pancakes. But this isn't a solo sport. Real estate investing is a team game. You need a solid agent, a mortgage broker or lender, a trustworthy inspector, a contractor you can call at 3 a.m. when your water heater explodes, and maybe a good therapist for when tenants stop paying rent. Think of it like this. Your first property is your startup. Would a startup launch with just one employee doing sales, tech, marketing, accounting, and HR? No way. So stop thinking you have to do it all. Smart investors build teams. Because when the toilet clogs, do you really want to be the one watching YouTube videos titled, How to Snake a Drain During a Panic Attack? Bonus tip, start small but start smart. Now here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't need to buy a 50-unit building to win in real estate. You can start small. A duplex, a single-family home, even house, hacking your own place. Start smart, stay consistent, and avoid rookie mistakes. Real estate isn't a race. It's a strategy game. The longer you stay in, the more wealth you build. So forget get rich quick. Think get wealthy quietly. Let's wrap this up. The 3 big mistakes beginners make are falling in love with the house, ignoring hidden costs, trying to be a one-person army. But now that you know them, you can avoid them. And trust me, your future self and future bank account will thank you. So if this video helped, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell me in the comments. What's the biggest real estate myth you believed when you started out? Thanks for watching, and remember, real estate rewards the learners, not the guessers.